guys, it's Krista, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did these faux locks with no braids, no cornrows, no anything like that. They're super easy. Yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I have a little section of my hair that I left out to show you guys how I did this. I'm just going to clip this other section out of the way real fast. Okay. So these sections are already done and twisted, but I'm going to show you guys how I did this front section right here. Let me clip this side too. Okay, so for each section I put in this, ooh, you can't even see it. Okay, so for each section I put in the Shea Moisture Omega 369 Repair Rescue Defining Smoothie. I got like this, the one, like the deep conditioner that goes with this. Ooh, the sliding is bad. Let me scoop that. Okay, so I got the deep conditioner that goes with this and I really like it. So I've been using this as my moisturizer. And I'm just going to put this all over the section, and I did this for every single section. And I also did this on blow dried hair. I would have done it on wet hair, but I had to like wait overnight after I washed my hair. And since it's like 7 degrees outside, I wasn't gonna go outside with wet hair. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Taylor Beauty Everything Butter. You guys have seen this in my videos since wherever, like for like the last year. I'm just gonna use that to help seal the moisture into the ends of my hair. Okay, so only on the perimeter of my hair, I'm going to put this Argan Oil Perfect Edges Extra Hold Gel. I only did this on the edges because I really don't particularly care about the rest of my hair being smoothed down, but I didn't want my edges looking all frizzy. So I'm just going to take a little itty bit, and I'm going to just put it on the front part of my hair. And again, I only did this on the front section because doing it on the other sections wasn't that important to me. I was gonna take my little brush and brush it up. And then I'm going to take a tiny black rubber band. I don't even know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna take a tiny black rubber band, and I'm gonna put it around. The clear ones are better for your hair, so if you're going to buy some, buy the clear ones, but I didn't buy any, and the black ones were what I had, and it was too late to go to the hair store when I started doing this, so gotta work with what you have. And then I'm just gonna loop it around 3 times. Then just pull it tight. And then I'm just going to put my hair into a twist. You can braid your hair instead, but quite honestly, braiding just takes me so much longer. And I braided one, and I was just like, yeah, no, I'm just gonna twist them. Works just as well. Your hair is gonna stay moisturized. It's still gonna protect your hair. Twists are actually just a little less manipulation than braids, and they're faster, so that's why I'm doing twists and not doing braids. Because I don't have the patience, because quite honestly, I did my entire head like this. Okay, also another question. I did 5 braids on each side, or twist or whatever, and 5 on this side. I just tried to keep them in line, going back as well as I could. In the back, the parts definitely are not straight and are perfect. I tried to make them look better in the front. But yeah, don't obsess about that too much, but I did do 5 on each side. So 10 in total, 10 rows going back. And they're about like an inch thick, 3/4 of an inch. They're kind of scuffed, but I'll show you a close-up after I do this. So let me go into the ones that are lower. Where's my hair that I'm using? What did I do with it? Ah. Let me show you a new pack. Okay, so I'm using this Janet Mumbo Faux Locs. I think they're 18 inches in the color 2. yeah, I don't know. I spent so much time looking at which ones I wanted to get when I was at the hair store, and I just decided on these ones. I thought they were thick enough, and I don't know, they just work. They're $9.99, and I bought 4 packs, but I think I am only going to need 3. This is like the end of my 3rd pack. So you can probably get away with doing 3, but it just depends on how many you do. I think there's gonna be just enough for me to have 3. Okay, let me get all up in your grill. Actually, let me move the camera this way so it's not in this weird lighting position. Okay. So as far, why does my makeup look so, it's okay guys. So the hair has a little loop on it, and you're gonna wanna open up that loop. Bam. You're gonna take the crochet needle and you're gonna put it under the rubber band. Put it through your hair, hook the hair over, close the latch, and then pull it back through. And then you're just going to take that loop that's still open, bring the crochet back through it, and make sure you pull it tight. And then we are just going to take the crochet braid and wrap it around. So make sure you're not pulling on the crochet or on the hair, on the fake hair, too much, because it will cause it to like stretch down farther. Then when you let go, it'll be like all bunchy and weird. So make sure you're just using a gentle hand when you go around it. And at first I was trying to make it so like none of my hair stuck out like this, but then I went to sleep and woke up and it had like happened all over here. So I'm just not too worried about it. I think a little blonde sticking out just makes it look just a little bit cooler. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Please ignore my blush. It is like, the lighting was bad when I put it on, and now it's on my face already, so I'm not gonna do anything about it, but that's okay. But yeah, just twist it all the way to the end until all of your hair is inside the lock. Here we go, and just twist it around, and bam, it's good. And you're good to go. All right, and then I'm just gonna repeat the same on these last 2 and I will be done, thank God. Yeah, what's up with this one? This one's stupid. Okay, I got a few more. I was like, I really don't want to have to open another pack just for 1 braid. Oopsies. Okay, again, we're gonna go under, hook the hair on, close it, pull it through, and pull it tight. And then just wrap it around. And then the longer your hair is, the longer this is gonna take, so sorry. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Just a few, like, not tips, but not necessarily tips. Ooh, I can't talk. So I've seen videos saying like, oh, like do this in 2 hours or do this in an hour. And I just want to say that that is a lie. It took me 3 hours to twist my entire head. It took like an hour and a half on each side. And then this took me maybe like 45 minutes, probably an hour, probably closer to an hour to do each side, to like put the actual locks on. Between like having to twist and like moisturize each section and all that stuff, this does take time. So just be aware of that. Of course, if your hair is shorter than mine, it won't take as long, just because you won't have to like twist so much hair in, and you won't have to like twist your actual hair. Like, it'll take you shorter to do each section. But depending on the length of your hair, it could take longer or shorter. So if your hair is longer than mine, that's going to take even longer to do. But yeah, I've actually never done these before. It is really easy to do, and they are really easy to install, but it does take time, and you do have to be patient. I think I mentioned this earlier, but I just gave up on trying to not have my blonde hair show through. If your hair is the same color as the locks, then you won't have this issue. But if your hair is a different color, you'll probably have this issue. I just decided that I think it looks cool, so I'm just not gonna worry about it too much. So yeah, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, there's going to be detailed instructions in the description box below, as well as links to the products that I use. I did blow dry my hair before I did this, but that is not necessary. I usually would do something like this on wet hair because I always just do stuff on wet hair, but again, it's freezing outside and I had to go outside before I did this, but after I washed my hair, and I was not about to go outside and have my hair freeze. But yeah, I plan on wearing my hair like this for at least a month. I think this year is going to be the year of protective styling for me. So I'm going to try doing different styles, and I also just want to spend a lot less time doing my hair this year. I don't even know how many hours I spent just doing my hair last year, and it's just so time consuming, especially as my hair's gotten longer. So yeah, I want to spend less time doing my hair and more time doing like fun things that aren't my hair. But there's gonna be a whole nother video on that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!